Today I'm at the Llanelli and Mynydd Mawr Railway for their Railway 200 Spring Gala, held on the 22nd of March 2025. This is my first time visiting this fascinating preserved line, and I'm incredibly excited to see what they have in store. This gala is a unique celebration, not only marking 200 years of modern rail travel, but also highlighting the rich history of this very site. Did you know that the Llanelli and Mynydd Mawr Railway can actually trace its origins back to the Llanelli Tram Road, which opened in 1806, a staggering 219 years ago? Today we'll be treated to a variety of train rides featuring their Pacer railcar, Sentinel shunter with their brake van, and an ex-MOD railcar Diana. We'll also witness a demonstration of their track inspection car Winnie. Plus, there are several other cabs in the cab yard on display, and the main shed is open for us to view their heritage boards and rolling stock, including static displays of 483 008, 483 006, and 315 856. Get ready for a video packed with history, unique locomotives, and the charm of this special Welsh railway.